In this next video, we're going to do a different version of the in clause. We're going to use not in. So for example, let's say we're doing select star from employees, and we know that these are the different departments that people can belong to. And I think that, number one might be accounting or something. So let's say that we want to say, give us everything where the DP key, not in, and then we just do the number one. Right now there's 9 records, and there will be 8 records once we run this. See? 8 records, and we don't see the number one. Now, what we can do, I'll just get rid of this real quick. We can keep adding stuff to this, like maybe we decide, department number 2, we don't care about these guys either. All you do is comma delimit your field. See, so it gets rid of the 2's, and now we'll get rid of the 3's. Now what some people do is they like to put spaces after the commas. It doesn't really affect anything. It doesn't make any difference. It's just white space to SQL Server. SQL Server could care less. T-SQL has no opinion. It's like, it doesn't even see it. See, it just doesn't care. Now, one other thing that you need to know is that this formula, or this way of doing this, does not work with alphas. So for example, if you wanted to say let's say we were doing it like this. If I was to say Dave, this will crash. Invalid column name Dave. It doesn't understand that. If I put single quotes around it, see, then it likes it. Here, let me just see now. Dave, this wonderful name Dave, came back in the first query. Here's somebody named Dave, nice guy, because it wasn't being excluded. We're just excluding department numbers. But here in this next one, we're excluding anybody where their first name is either in Dave, or we can do this again and we could add Roy. Why Roy? Why not Roy? Nobody likes Roy. Okay, Roy's gone too. So that's how you do it. So basically the not in is exactly the same thing as in, except the not is just like a switch. It just kind of negatizes it, if you will.